1 Peter 5:8. And above all things, be earnest in your love among yourselves, for love covers multitude of sins. 1 Peter 5:8 teaches us that love is powerful. Kung atong higugmaon mga kasama ang matag usang nga tinud-anay, kini makatabang sa atoa nga malimtan ang mga sala, makapasayluta, and also it brings healing. Sumala pa, true love creates peace and unity even in difficult times. Have a meaningful Holy Week mga kasama. Kini si Radyo Manrens Barbarona, Tatak RMN.